at North Burns Road in Knoxville, Tennessee. This is my house that I own with my brother. This is the second house that we ever bought. We bought it from people that inherited this house from their grandmother. We've had it rented for 3 years. We've made good money. We got all of our money that we invested back out of this house. And now we're turning it into a vacation rental. All right. A nice 4-bedroom, 2-bath here in the city of Knoxville. Hey! We do still have some construction. We do still have some things that aren't completely done yet, but this is a work in progress, and this is going to be some passive income for me and for my brother. But remember, passive income doesn't just happen magically. It's going to take some energy. It's going to take some effort. It's going to take some attention, but you can totally get it. You can totally get that passive income. You can get it set up. And the best way that I know how to get passive income is through real estate investing. Can you see me there? It's through real estate investing. All right. I've got 13 houses right now. Let's say they average pay me $1,000 a month right now. That's $13,000 a month coming into my bank account that I don't have to clock in for. That's cool stuff. That's some fun passive income. But I'm expecting $3,000 to $4,000 a month just off this house. If I'd get another house, I could be looking at with the same properties that I already own, because a lot of the ladies that I work with, they already own houses. They're already lady landlords. They just want to make more money with the properties they have. Well, that's what I'm in the process of doing right now, is furnishing this place and getting it out either on Airbnb or VRBO, or turning it into a corporate rental, a furnished house. That's how we're going to knock up our passive income without having to go buy anything else. You know what I mean? All right, so this is the first bedroom that we've got here on the right. Twin beds in here and all the sheets and everything to go on the beds. Like I said, it is a little bit of a work in progress. The shower is going to get replaced next Wednesday. And this hall closet thing here, this is going to get ripped out today and put back in tomorrow. This is our second bedroom. I've got queen beds in all 3 bedrooms. There is one bedroom that I only have twin beds in, but it does have a nice dresser here for the twin beds. All these bedrooms do have closets, and they're pretty good sized bedrooms. I mean, I've seen bedrooms before that you couldn't get barely a bed in, but I got a bed, a big old nightstand, and a dresser. And there's still room to, think and spread your arms out in here. They're not tiny bedrooms. That's what I do like about old houses. Then this is the 4th bedroom. This is the master bedroom. Tall chest of drawers here. Bigger closet in this one. And this bedroom has a bathroom. Everybody wants a bathroom in their master bedroom. So that's what we got. Now, I said this has been some work. I was over here all day yesterday and just kind of organizing, signing off that the furniture had been delivered, and, deciding which curtains go where, just doing things, all right? But I did everything here yesterday. I spent the whole day here yesterday so that I could feel it, right? You know what I mean? Like, I don't know if it's a woman thing or if it's a millennial thing or if it's a Scorpio thing. I don't really know. But what I do know is that I like to do things. I like to feel it. I like to experience it the first time. And then the next time, I'll probably hire a designer. But I already know what kind of furniture style I like. I already know what needs to go in the kitchen. I already know that, when I'm paying somebody to go do something for me in the future on my next vacation rental, I'll know that it's worth it, because that'll be at least one day, probably more like 3 days out of my life, that I can go do other things and let somebody else unpack all the dishes and wash all the curtains so that they're not wrinkly like these are, so I can have it just done, right? But since this is my first vacation rental, this is my first corporate rental, this is my first furnished house rental, I wanted to go through it. I wanted to feel it. I wanted to know what was going on. I wanted to experience every bit of it. so that I know the value I'm getting the next time when I pay a designer to design it, organize it, fluff it up, and I can just come in and write a check. So, if you have any questions about how you can, buy houses without credit or banks, or how you can 10x your return on your houses that you already own, let me just say again, my name is Whitney Nicely, and if you go to whitneynicely.com, I've got a program called First Deal Done Fast that'll show you how to buy houses just like this from people that inherited it, that don't want the house anymore. And you can set up payments with them to buy these puppies and then bring in $3,000 a month. Bye, y'all.